How to create a Shein account. So if you want to create a Shein account, first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar, search for Shein. Now scroll down and click on us.shein.com, and it will directly take you to the Shein website. And now to create an account, on the upper right corner you will have a profile option. You can click on that, and now here you will have two options. One is sign in and then one is new to Shein. So if you already have an account, then you can click on this one, and then you can enter your mobile number or your email address, and you can continue, and then you have to enter your password, and then you will be logged into your account. Or you can also sign in with your Google or with your Facebook. But if you don't have an account, then come to this page and then enter your mobile number or email address. And after entering your email, you have to create a password, and then you have to confirm your password again. And after entering your password, you can choose your style preference, and then you have to click here so that you agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. And after that, you can simply click on register. And now you have to enter your mobile number. So first choose your country code, Canada or United States, and after choosing that, you have to enter your mobile number. And after entering your mobile number, you will get a verification code. You can simply click on send, and then you will get a verification code to your mobile number, and you have to click here, and then you have to enter your verification code. And after entering that, you can click on submit, but you can also skip this part. And that's it. Now you have successfully created your account. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.